Want to enable dark mode in Windows 10 to reduce eye strain and give your PC a sleek, modern look? Here's how to officially switch your system theme to dark mode in just a few clicks. First, click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner of your screen and select the gear-shaped settings icon. In the Settings window, click on Personalization. Next, select Colors from the left-hand menu. Under the Choose Your Color drop-down menu at the top, select Dark. This will instantly turn your Windows taskbar, Start menu, File Explorer, and built-in apps into dark mode. If you prefer to keep your taskbar dark while keeping apps light, or vice versa, to ensure a full, clean, dark appearance, scroll down to the section titled Show Accent Color on the following surfaces. Make sure to untick the boxes next to Start, Taskbar, and Action Center, as well as title bars and window borders. Unchecking these options prevents bright colors from overriding your clean, dark background on windows and taskbars. If this quick Windows 10 tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more fast tech guides.